Hey guys, welcome to Learn Fucking Math. Today we're going to cover the surface area and the volume of a cylinder. What do you know? So a cylinder is pretty straightforward. That's a very shitty drawing of a cylinder, but all you guys have seen a cylinder. If you open up your pantry and see a can of peas in there, that's a cylinder. If you don't know what a pantry is, ask your parents. I don't know what the kids these days are calling pantries. But either way, let's get to it. So say you had a cylindrical box and you wanted to find how much wrapping paper you would need to wrap this. That is what surface area is. And essentially what you do is you add up the area of all the surfaces. So the surfaces we have in a cylinder are a circle on top, a circle on the bottom, and in the middle pretty much a long kind of rectangle. All you boys out there, feel free to snicker, because yes, I do know what this kind of looks like. It looks like a robotic penis. But essentially we're going to find the area of this circle based on the radius, the area of this circle based on the same radius, and then the area of this rectangle, which is based on the height, and then the circumference, or 2 pi r, or pi d. So as an example, if we had here a cylinder, that's much better looking, that had a radius of 10 and a height of 15, we first find the area of this circle, which is pi r squared. Area pi r squared. You should remember that. Pi r squared. So 10 squared equals 100. We have 100 pi. Same goes for the bottom. Plus 100 pi. Now the circumference, which is the perimeter, the distance around the circle of this right here, is 2 pi r. So 2 times 10 is 20, so 20 pi times 15, which would be the height of this right here. So 15 times 20, that gives us 300 pi. We add that, 300 pi, and the surface area of this cylinder equals 500 pi. Now if your teacher's a little bit of a asshole and wants you to multiply this times 3.14 blah 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 blah, this is essentially going to equal 1570. Okay, now moving on to volume. What is volume? Volume is essentially everything that goes inside the cylinder. If you were to fill it with water or a human head or a bowling ball or whatever you wanted to. Now, using the same one as before, if we had that, essentially for the volume of something, all we need is the area of the bottom times the height. So we knew that the area from the previous one that had a radius of 10, see that one right there, that one right here, the one that we're going to put like a nice little, human head remain in there, because why not? That sort of thing. That's what I use my boxes for. Anyways, we have the area of the circle, which we knew was 100 pi because of pi r squared. You better fucking be paying attention. I don't want to repeat myself all the time. Plug 10 into there, you get 100 pi. Shit like that, right? And then you multiply times the height, which was 15. So that times 15, you get 1500 pi. Look at that. Just like that. So if you wanted to find out the size of a cylinder that you needed to put a bowling ball, a human head, anything like that you needed to, that's how you find the volume. Surface area to wrap it in wrapping paper, and then gift it to your brother because, you want to freak him out. All right, later. Bye.